Hey guys, it's me and Benton. Alright, so today we are going to be looking at how to do mechanical advantage and efficiency problems. And this is something new, so I'm making a video to introduce this. And so this is the actual worksheet you'll be working on, and I'm going to show you how to work out this first example problem and then a few of each type of problem that you'll see on the assignment. And as always, if you need help or if you have any questions, you can always email me any kind of questions that you have or send me a message on Google Classroom. Okay, so this first question says a wheelbarrow has a mechanical advantage of 2.2. The output distance extends from the load center of mass to the wheel, and the input distance is from the handles to the wheel. For an output distance of 0.45 meters, what is the input distance? And so for this worksheet, we have two triangles. We have the IMA and the AMA triangles. So IMA stands for ideal mechanical advantage, which you should have seen in the notes from yesterday. AMA is actual mechanical advantage. And remember, this is just calculating for a simple machine. Ideal is what do we think the mechanical advantage is without friction, and then AMA is what is the actual advantage, or how many times does the machine multiply a force. So the first part of this, it's got it broken down into some steps that we want to follow. First off, what do we know? So our given is what we know, and we know that the mechanical advantage is 2.2. We also know that the output distance is 0.45. And so then what is our unknown value? What do we not know? What are we supposed to find? And it is asking us to find the input distance, because it says what is the input distance. So ID is what we're finding. So which triangle should we use? Use which triangle? So are we finding IMA, or dealing with input distance and output distance, or are we dealing with input force and output force? Well, we're using the IMA triangle. So now we're going to work out our formula, and so we're solving for input distance, and so if we cover this up with our finger, whatever, using our triangles the same way we've used them the whole year, if we were to cover up input distance, we're left with what? IMA and times output distance. So ID equals IMA times output distance. So then ID equals, we just sub in our numbers from what we know, what we were given. And so 2.2 was the mechanical advantage times the output distance, 0.45. 2.2 times 0.45 equals input distance equals 0.99, and in distance was measured in meters, so it'd be 0.99 meters. Okay, so let's look at some other examples. We already did an IMA. Let's find one that's AMA, actual mechanical advantage. So for that, we're looking for things that are talking about forces, and this one is number 3. So the power steering in an automobile has a mechanical advantage of 75. If input force on the steering wheel is 49 newtons, what is the output force? Okay, so what are we given? We are given MA. We don't know which one yet. Well, it's AMA because we're talking about forces. The mechanical advantage is 75. And then the input force is 49 newtons. And I'm about to run out of time, so we're going to have another video. And so then we will continue this on the next video.